my dear students, how are you? I hope all are you good. Welcome back to another class. Today, let me start GK Unit 4 Explore Our Country. So, given below are the pictures and tenures of the Prime Minister of India named there. The Prime Minister of India. 1947 to 1964, Jawaharlal Nehru. Number 2, Lal Bahadur Shastri. Lal Bahadur Shastri. Indira Gandhi. Number 4, Morarji Desai. 1977 to 1970. Number 5, Chaudhry Charan Singh. And number 6, Rajiv Gandhi, 1984 to 1989. Number 7, VP Singh. And number 8, Chandrasekhar. Number 9, PV Narasimha Rao. Number 10, 2 बार पीएम बने हैं ये भी. 96. अच्छा, ओके. अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी. Number 11, HD Devagura. इंद्र कुमार गुजराल यानी कि आई के गुजराल. आई के गुजराल. 13, 4 to 14, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, Dr. Manmohan Singh. Narendra Modi. So these are our prime minister. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Important days in Indian history. The days given below have a great significance in Indian history. Can you write the dates on which these days fall? It is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi, the father of the nation, and is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti. 2 October. 2 October. Number 2. It is the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India, and is celebrated as Children's Day. 14 November. Number 3. Um, it is the birthday of Dr. S. Radhakrishnan, the first Vice President of India, and is celebrated as Teachers' Day. 5 September. Number 4. India became a republic on this day in 1920. It is India's Republic Day. 26 January. 26 January. Number 5. India achieved independence on this day in 1947. It is India's Independence Day, 15th August. Next question now, match the other important days with the corresponding dates. So let me start. Armed Force Flag Day. Forces Flag Day. I 7 December. Okay, number 2, National Integration Day, 19 November. National Post Day, number 3, 10 October. Indian Air Force Day, 8 October. 5, National Sports Day, National Sports Day, 29 August. National Technology Day, question number 6, 11 May. National Maritime Day, number 7, 5th April. National Science Day, 28 February. Number 9, Army Day, 15 January. And the last one, National Youth Day, 12 January. Dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. India's geographical prides. Chilika Lake. Chilika Lake is a lagoon in eastern Odisha, separated from the Bay of Bengal by a narrow spit of land. It is the largest and most magnificent saltwater lake in India. It is 72 kilometers long and 8 to 2 kilometers wide. It is about 2 meters deep and covers an area of about 1,100 square kilometers. Chilika Lake was once a bay of the ocean until silted up by strong monsoon tides. Jog Falls, also called Garospa, Ga- Garsoppa Falls, are cataracts on the Sharavati River in Karnataka. Jog Falls is located 29 kilometers upstream from Honava at the river mouth on the Arabian Sea. As it plunges to 53 meters, the river splits into four uh, cascades known as Raja, Roar, Rocket, and Run. The term Himalaya means the abode of snow. Himalayan range have 110 peaks, including the highest mountains in the world. So they stretch for about 2,500 kilometers from the west to the east. The width of the Himalayas from the south to the north varies between 201 to 402 kilometers. Their total area is about 5,94,400 square kilometers. The Himalayas are drained by 9 major rivers, okay, of which the Indus and the Brahmaputra are the largest. So, dear students, this chapter is in here. Now, let's begin the next chapter. Tourist destinations of India. India is a vast country with varied physical features. It attracts thousands of tourists from all over the world every year. Given below are the descriptions of some tourist destinations in India. Read them and answer the questions that follow. You can use the help box. Number 1. Oli is popular as a skiing destination. People who love skiing visit this place in winters. Name the state where Oli is located. Uttarakhand. 2. Chokidhani is a village-themed resort. It mirrors Rajasthani culture, the display of traditional huts, folk dances, acrobatics, etc. attract tourists from all corners of the world in the city of where it is situated. It is Jaipur. Number 3. Ramoji Film City is the world's largest film studio come theme park. It is a popular tourism and recreation center to every year. It attracts over a million tourists. Name the city where it is located. Hyderabad. Kerala is described as one of the 10 paradises of the world by National Geographic Traveler. One of the chief attractions is its backwaters. So, one of its towns has a large network of canals and is known as the Venice of the East. Name this town. So, it is Alappuza. So, dear students, this chapter is in here. Now, let's begin the next chapter. Indian spices and herbs. In India, a vast variety of spices are used to make food flavorful. Almost all Indian spices have some medicinal properties. See the pictures and name the following. You may use the help box. Number 1. It improves digestion and prevents gas formation. ये हींग बोलते हैं इसको. ये है एसाफियोटिडा. Number 2. It is a natural remedy for headache and cold. Bay leaf. Number 3, it is a good source of antioxidant and has anti-inflammatory properties. Cinnamon, जिसको हम दालचीनी बोलते हैं. Number 4, it is a good for people with joint pains. It reduces blood sugar also. Red chili. Mm. Number 5, it is a natural antibacterial. Its oil is widely used to treat toothache. ये है clove. उसको हम लौंग बोलते हैं. Number 6, it helps in healing sores of stomach and liver ailments. ये है turmeric, means haldi. So students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Great Indian thinkers. Below are some eminent Indian thinkers and saints. Write their names. 1. Swami Vivekanand. Osho. Number 3, Sai Baba. Number 4, Vinoba Bhave. Vinoba Bhave. Ramakrishna Paramhans. And number 6 is J. Krishnamurti. Number 7, Mata Amritanandamayi. Number 8, Dayan Saraswati. Swami Dayanand Saraswati. So students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Nickname of great Indians. Shown below are some great Indians with their nicknames written alongside the pictures. Write their real names. You can use the help books. Okay, let me start. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Lokmanya Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Number 2. Acha, okay, take. Shahid Azam. Bhagat Singh. Shahid Azam Bhagat Singh. 3. Iron Man Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. 3. Iron Man Vallabh Bhai Patel. Number 4. Lokmanya Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Punjab Kesari. Punjab Kesari. Lala Lajpat Rai. Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore. Number 7. Grand Old Man of India. Who is he? Dada Bhai Nehru. Number 8. Nightingale of India. Sarojini Naidu. No. Number 9. Mahamana Madan Mohan Malviya. Madan Mohan Malviya. Number 10. Mahatma Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Number 11. Loknayak Jayaprakash Narayan. Chacha Jawaharlal Nehru. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. So my dear students, the all chapter of this unit are completed here. I hope you all are very well understand all chapters. So we will meet to the next class. Thank you everyone.